Hi, my name is Amo Joseph, and many people have this issue about website creation and lots of questions unanswered. So today I'm going to be answering some of those questions and worry simply by showing you how you can easily create your first website quickly and easily. I already released a video on how you can create a subdirectory, installation of themes, etc. Ensure you watch them till the end so you don't miss a thing. Go ahead and watch it. The link should be somewhere around this video. Just sit back and chill, take a chill drink and learn as we proceed to learning. So in our previous in our previous video, we talked about installation of plugins which we successfully installed Divi and then and slider revolution, and these are the themes and the plugins that we are going to be using to design our website. And one thing that we want to do today quickly is uploading your logo. So first that I want to do is I want to introduce you to an application called Firework. Firework is the application or the software that you use to create online logos, to create headers, anything related to web. This is what you are going to be using. But on this application, it takes people that are very, very creative to come up with something very nice when it comes to when it comes to logo creation or anything with this. So, but quickly and easily, I will introduce you to something that if you are not very creative, you will still be able to come up with one powerful logo. And let's come ahead, let's go to canva.com. Canva.com. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. I post reasonable and lovely content, tech content actually, that will help you, that will help your journey to becoming a successful tech man or tech girl. So what you just want to do is you just want to come into Canva and create a logo and bring it into our Firework, adjust the revolution, adjust the resolution or the size, and upload it into our website. So as you can see, this is my account. I just come ahead and search for logo here. If I search for logo, so I just come ahead and I create a blank, or I can pick from any of these, and I'm just going to use it as a guide to creating a fantastic logo. So I'm just going to pick one of it, and I'm just going to change just little thing from it or little work from it, then I'm good to go. So let me just choose one. I'm looking for one lovely one I could choose so I can just design it and that will be it. So I just let me just go with this. So let's wait for it while it loads. So we can so this is what is showing right here. So I just go ahead and I'll change something. Let's wait for this out to load. So I'm kind of looking for another thing that I can use. Most of the templates or the logos here are paid and pro, and I'm kind of using the free version. So I don't want this one, is rather to, let me see. So let's just work with this. Let's work with this. I want to say, write my business name. Excellent service. I just go ahead and change this color. So let's just work with this. Let's just work with this. So you can use it to come up with something nice. Let us just use a bit. So I'll go ahead and I'll download this. So I'll download this. I just go back into my site. No, I'll first take it into my Firework, adjust it, then I'll take it into my, or I could even take it straight even without adjusting it with. So my design is now ready. So let me see. So as you can see, this is good. So I'll just go ahead and say fit, you know, and I'll just go ahead and just say preview it. So this is 300 to 300. So I just go ahead and download this, and I just go ahead and export it, and I just title it my logo. Then we come back to our our website that we are building, and we just click upload, and we say upload files. We click on select, and we come to the picture. Let's just come to picture. We should be able to see it here. So this is my logo. So we go ahead and set it, and we say save changes. So we go ahead. Once we have saved the changes, we have successfully installed our logo. So let's come back to our page. See our page. You want to check, or we can do it this way. We just want to check the preview of what we have done and see if it was good. Edit page. So we go ahead and search this. So we want to check our website now and see how it's doing. As you can see, the website is already there. The website, I said the website, the logo is already standing there. And this is what we want to do first. And after taking our logo, then we'll now start with our revolution in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. As you can see, this is the website that we want to build. And then let me just quickly show you something um, about the revolution. So if you want to install your revolution slider, this is the revolution slider. Just come ahead to appearance. So you just come ahead to plugin. The plugin, you say add new plugin. So it will bring a place where they will say upload new plugin. Then you click on upload. So you click on upload and you come ahead and you choose file. So you choose your revolution slider or the slider that you want to use. So, and this is the ref slider. As you can see, it is zipped. So I go ahead and I click this. And as you can see, the ref slider. So I click on install. So after I successfully installed, it's gonna show me where I'm just gonna activate, and I'm just gonna activate it. Once you've activated it, it's gonna come right here, right in this place. So in our next video, we'll be using revolution slider to design our header.